Problem 2. We have another dilation of a line about the origin. So when it's about the origin, I really do care about my scale factor because I know I'm going to keep the slope of this line, but the y-intercept is going to get multiplied by the scale factor. So here's the equation. It's in standard form, which I talked about in the previous video. And I'll do it both ways. From just looking at that equation, I know my slope will be 2/3 because I'm taking the coefficients and I'm just putting them over each other, 2 divided by -3, and then I'm negating and I'm changing the sign. Don't sweat it if that doesn't make sense to you, because no matter what, I can't really see the y-intercept. So there's a trick for that, but let's just go ahead and solve this for y. Put it in y equals mx plus b form. I need to get rid of this 2x, so I'm going to subtract 2x. I'll bring down my minus 3y. I'll put the minus 2x in front, that way it just looks more like the mx plus b. I got to get rid of that minus 3, so I'm going to divide. Each term has to get divided by minus 3. And you can see our equation is going to be the negatives cancel. I get 2/3 x. A positive divided by a negative is a minus, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. So maybe you can see the trick in finding the y-intercept. Just take the coefficient on y and divide that by the constant on the end. So we can see our slope is in fact 2/3, and our y-intercept is -3. So when we go to write our new equation, it's going to be parallel, so it needs to have the same slope, 2/3 x. But this y-intercept, it's going to become noob. It's a new b. It's going to be the old y-intercept times our scale factor of 2, which will become -6. And that's why new equation will be y equals 2/3 x minus 6.